Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC40 T2 Momemtum MAN 5-door in sleek grey. This estate-yacht Jeep boasts a 1.5-litre petrol engine with manual transmission, making it a joy to drive. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort and safety features like cruise control, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can trust that you and your loved ones are in good hands. With luxurious interior touches like below-seat storage, cup holders, and a load cover, every drive will be a pleasure. Plus, the roof rails and spoiler give this vehicle a sporty edge. Rest easy knowing that this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.